Hi guys, welcome back to 3 seconds math. In this tutorial I want to tell you the concept of the square root of -1. The square root of -1 is not zero nor negative nor positive. It's an imaginary unit number which is called iota, and it is denoted by I. But some scientists believe that there is a close relationship between iota and galaxy motions and the expansion of the universe. Let me show you. Look, I equals the square root of -1. Suppose this is the core of an entity. I squared equals the square root of -1 times the square root of -1. It is equal to -1. And here I squared -1. And I cubed equals I squared times I. I squared is -1 times I is -I. So I cubed is -I. I to the power of 4 equals I cubed times I. I cubed is -I times I. I times I is -1. -1 equals 1. So I to the power of 4 is 1. And I to the power of 5. So I to the power of 4 times I. I to the power of 4 is 1 times I. It is equal to I. So we'll get back to the first place. I 5. The power of 5 is I. So iota repeats in a certain pattern in a cycle. Look, 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 9 to 13, 14 to 17, and so on. So it repeats itself every 3 units. Look, I to the power of 1 is I to the power of 2, -1. I to the power of 3, -I. I to the power of 4, 1. I to the power of 5, I. Look, 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 9 to 13, 14, 17, and so on. If I graph the rotational curve of a spiral galaxy, distance based on light years and velocity, kilometers per second. It's something like this. And here the line of the square root of -1 of x when x approaches infinity. Look at the graph. It's something like this. You see the golden ratio of galaxy, and it is 3. This is scientific hypothesis, but there is another interpretation which is more like superstition. But let me tell you, look at the word galaxy. It contains 3 syllables, galaxy. Okay, look, the period of the function is 3. It means it repeats itself at every 3 units. So it is galaxy. Okay, if you notice the musical notes, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si. The last 2 notes are la, si. So la, si. It means the end of the music, or the end of the entity, the end of the universe. But there is an X between them. X means everything continues till the end. Everything is everlasting. And everything is fighting with entropy in the universe. Alright, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Bye for now.